Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to enable jumping between list items in navigation options for the TalkBack function in Realme 14 Pro phone and how to turn it off. First of all, we need to go to settings. Next, we need to go to accessibility and convenience, then accessibility. Next, we need to tap the vision tab at the top, then TalkBack. Now in here, in the top right corner, we need to open the cog menu. Next, customize menus, then customize TalkBack menu. Now we need to scroll down to the navigation, which we need to enable first, and then edit navigation options. Then we need to scroll down to web navigation portion of this menu, and we are looking for the list items. So we can check this box to enable this option and uncheck to turn it off, pretty much. And that's all. Goodbye.